Namaskar dear children. So as we are starting exercise question answers of chapter 2 and 1, 2, 3 questions we have completed. Today I am starting next question number 4. Next question number 4 of exercise question answer. Question number 1, 2, 3 we have completed yesterday. We have started the exercise question answers and next today question number 4. So this is the exercise question answers of chapter 2, right? So what is the question 4? Question 4 is, students, question 4 is asking explain the following giving examples. हमें explain करनी है, following terms हमें दी हुई है. Explain the following terms with giving examples. So what are the terms which we have to explain? First is term is saturated solution. First term is saturated solution. So what is the saturated solution? A solution in which, first is a saturated solution. The answer is, here is written answer. So the answer is a solution in which no more solute can be dissolved at any fixed temperature is called a saturated solution. Saturated solution students वो होता है जिसमें कि और कोई सॉल्यूट डिसॉल्व करने की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होती है, उसमें उतना ही सॉल्यूट मिक्स होता है जितना रिक्वायरमेंट होती है और नो मोर सॉल्यूट कैन बी रिक्वायर्ड फॉर एडेड. एग्जांपल है सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन ऑफ सोडियम क्लोराइड. हमने एक ग्लास वाटर में 1 स्पून सोडियम सॉल्ट मिलाया है, दैट इज द सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन ऑफ सोडियम क्लोराइड. Right. Next is next term is a pure substance. Next is a pure substance. What is the pure substance? A sample of matter containing only one substance. कोई sample है matter का जिसमें सिर्फ containing है one substance. This is called a pure substance. A sample of matter containing only one substance, जिसमें सिर्फ one substance containing हो, this is called the pure substance. A sample of matter containing only one substance, this is known as the pure substance. Next is example is a sodium chloride ले लें, salt ले लें, sugar ले लें. These all are the pure substance जो कि एक simple single type of substance से मिलके बने हुए हैं. Next is a colloid. What is the colloid? Is the example of the colloid is a milk. The example of the colloid is a milk, and colloid is a looking like a homogeneous. Colloid is a looking like a homogeneous, but actually they are the heterogeneous mixture. A homogeneous looking heterogeneous mixture in which particles are dispersed in a continuous medium is called a colloid. Colloid solutions are looking like homogeneous, but they are the heterogeneous, and in this solution the particles are dispersed in a colloid. Particles are dispersed in a continuous medium. पूरी complete medium के अंदर particles जो होंगे वो dispersed होते हैं. Example is milk. What is the example of colloid? The example is milk. Next is a suspension. Next आपको दिया है suspension. What is the suspension? A suspension is a heterogeneous mixture. A suspension is a heterogeneous mixture in which fine particles of the solid remain suspended in the medium. सस्पेंशन में हमने देखा, हम जब चैप्टर स्टार्ट किया था तो हमने देखा था कि सस्पेंशन में पार्टिकल सस्पेंडेड रहते हैं, मूव रहते हैं. फाइन पार्टिकल्स आर सस्पेंड टू इनकम्प्लीट मीडियम. एग्जाम्पल आप ले लीजिए फ्लो इन वाटर एंड सॉइल इन वाटर. एग्जाम्पल सॉइल इन वाटर या फ्लो इन वाटर. दिस इज द example. So these are the 4 terms of question number 4. First saturated solution, second pure substance, third colloid, and fourth is suspension. Next question, classify each of the following as a homogeneous or heterogeneous mixture: soda water, wood, air, soil, vinegar और filtrate tea. हमें इनमें से क्लासीफाई करना है होमोजेनस मिक्सचर को और हेट्रोजेनस मिक्सचर को. homogeneous mixture or heterogeneous mixture. So what are the homogeneous mixture students in it? First in article soda water, wood, air, soil, vinegar and filtrate tea. So first is soda water and filtrate tea, and vinegar is a homogeneous. Vinegar is a homogeneous mixture. Vinegar and air clean with no particulates. That is the homogeneous mixture. And heterogeneous soil, wood, these are the heterogeneous mixture. First question is asking mixture soda water, wood, air, soil, vinegar. Air with containing dust and smoke, that is the heterogeneous. Air with containing dust and smoke, that is the heterogeneous mixture. Next is question is, how would you confirm that a colorless liquid given to you a pure water? हम कैसे ये प्रूव कर सकते हैं? हाउ डू कंफर्म, कैसे कंफर्म कर सकते हैं दैट इज अ कलरलेस लिक्विड गिवन टू यू इज अ प्योर वाटर? कि कलरलेस लिक्विड से हमें कैसे मालूम चल सकता है कि वो प्योर वाटर है? सो द प्योरिटी ऑफ वाटर कैन बी कंफर्म बाय डिटरमाइनिंग इट्स बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. जो प्योरिटी है और वाटर की कैन बी कंफर्म बाय डिटरमाइनिंग बाय इट्स बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ वाटर इज नॉर्मल. कितना होता है वाटर का? वाटर का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट होगा 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस. सो द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ वाटर इज 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस. द प्योरिटी ऑफ वाटर कैन बी कंफर्म बाय डिटरमाइनिंग इट्स बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. प्योर वाटर नॉर्मल बॉइल एट 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस. सो आई होप यू ऑल आर अंडरस्टूड today's question 4, 5, 6. In question 4, one term is given. We have to find out, give the definition and example, solution, suspension, and pure substance and colloid, clear, and saturated solution. Next is suspension, homogeneous mixtures and homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture हमें डिफरेंट करना है. थर्ड इज हमें प्योरिटी हम कैसे डिफाइन कर सकते हैं वाटर की? वी कैन फाइंड आउट प्योरिटी बाय द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट, एंड द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ वाटर इज 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 is asking about which of the following material fall in category of a pure substance. प्योर सब्सटेंस में ओनली वन काइंड ऑफ सब्सटेंस होते हैं. तो जो फॉलोइंग थिंग्स दी हुई हैं, फॉलोइंग सब्सटेंस दिए गए हैं, हमें उनमें से प्योर सब्सटेंस को आइडेंटिफाई करने हैं. सो ए इज आइस, बी मिल्क, सी आयरन, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड, मर्करी, ब्रिक, वुड एंड एयर. इनमें से करेक्ट आंसर जो कि प्योर सब्सटेंस है वो है आइस. आइस इज कम्प्लीटली प्योर. कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड इज कम्प्लीटली प्योर. Iron completely pure and mercury is a completely pure. The rest all of it is a not a pure substance. They have a mixture of any other substances. So next question number 8. Question number 8. Identify solution among the following mixtures. आपको mixtures दिए गए हैं, इनमें से solution को identify करना है. Soil, air, soda water, sea water and coal. So what is the solution in this following? Sea water and soda water is a solution. Soil is not a solution and coal is not a solution. As a solution is a sea water and soda water. Which of the following will show Tyndall effect? What do you mean by the Tyndall effect? The scattering the beam of light, it is known as the Tyndall effect. And here is milk and starch solution is showing a Tyndall effect. Which are the showing the Tyndall effect? Milk and starch solution showing the Tyndall effect. Next is classify the following into elements, compounds and mixture. 3 terms हमें classify करना है, divide करना है. Elements, compounds and mixture. Element is a made up of same type of atoms. Compound is a mixture of 2 or more atoms, and mixture is a mixing of 2 or more substances, that is the mixture. So sodium, silver, tin, silicon. These are the elements, compounds. Calcium carbonate, methane, carbon dioxide. These are the compounds. Mixture, soil. Soil is a mixture of substances. Sugar solution, coal or air, soap and blood. These are the mixtures. Next, last question. Which of the following are chemical changes? Here is given a for 5 and 6 point, and we have to identify the which are the chemical changes. So first is growth of plant, rusting of iron, mixing of iron fillings and sand, cooking of food, digestion of food, freezing of water and burning of candle. So according to them, growth of a plant is a chemical change, rusting of iron is a chemical change, and cooking of food chemical change, digestion of food chemical change, and burning of a candle is a chemical change. So these are the what are the chemical change? Chemical change is a change in which a new substance is formed, that is known as the chemical change. It is these are the irreversible. ये irreversible होते हैं, new substance बनते हैं. These are the chemical changes. So student, this all question answer completed of chapter number 2. All exercise question answers are completed. You everyone note down in your register.